Okay, so the first step to working with Entity Framework Core is to add the packages, the appropriate packages to your project. And so there's 3 that you'll need, at least in EF Core 2.2. And this is likely to change in Entity Framework Core 3.0. I've already seen some postings about the fact that they've kind of combined some of these together. But you're going to need those specific ones. It's easy to get tripped up when you're looking at all of the results that the NuGet package manager brings back. So just remember, you're going to need the actual Entity Framework Core, frameworkcore.sql server, frameworkcore.tools, and I'll discuss why here in just a moment. All right, so let us jump over to Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2009 Community Edition. I've created a new console application and have not changed a single thing about it. Remember, we're working with core templates, not with the classic .NET framework 4.5 or 4.6 or whatever the case might be. So currently, just have Hello World. We'll change that in just a moment. What I want to do is go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, and select the NuGet Manage NuGet Packages for the solution. And here I'm going to type in Entity Framework Core, all one word. I think that'll help me find what I'm looking for. Got to be in the Browse tab for that. And unfortunately, don't have a lot of screen real estate to work with here. So we may need to move some things around. And this is where things get a little tricky because there's a lot of things that pop up when you're looking for this. And it's not the top entry, which is kind of frustrating. We could probably do Microsoft dot to improve our chances here. All right, so that looks like the correct package, Microsoft dot Entity Framework Core. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. And then scroll down to install. It's going to ask to preview the changes. Click OK. It's going to ask if I accept the license for these. I do. So that's the first package. The next one is we need the provider. So just going to do .SQL Server on the end. SQL Server. There we go. And hard to see, but just want to make sure that this is in fact the one that's supplied by Microsoft. Author Microsoft. All right. And then make sure it's added to my project and then click install. Yes, preview the changes, and then I accept. Okay, great. And then the final one that we're going to need is tools, and this will give us the command line tooling. All right, and you'll see why that's used here in just a moment, and we'll install that as well.